and I will rename name. Okay, now we start the today presentation. We will talk about linear transformation. Linear transformation is in chapter 6, and this is the definition of linear transformation. We know in the calculus we have the function. We have some function like this uh, from to R, yeah,
Okay.
and I will make it tick multi multiple type. So for example, uh, we have y is equal to x, and the formulation is x squared. Or multivariable, we have that from uh, 2 to R. For example, Z is equal to X, Y. In this case, for example, X square Y. This is the function from R2 to R. And this is the function of R to R. So now we will talk about special function. Special function is called as linear transformation. Yeah, so linear transformation is uh, the function itself, but the characteristic is the function must be a linear equation. So linear transformation from R to Rn to Rm, we can symbolize by T from Rn to Rm. Yeah. So this is the linear transformation. What is actually the linear transformation? This is the detail about linear transformation. So we have this is the result y1 up to ym, and we have the input here. This is output. Yeah, this is output. This is input. Input is x1, x2 up to xn. So this is in our input, and this is our output. And the general form of the linear transformation like this, like this. So every output is linear combination of the input. Yeah, so we have y1, y2, linear combination of x1 up to xn. Also, ym is linear combination of x1 up to xn. So this is the general general form of linear transformation. Linear transformation. So by using the general form, we can use as a metric notation uh, of the general form. This is easy, yeah. This is y1, y2 up to ym in the left, in the left, and then the matrix will be will be A11 up to A1n. In the second, A2n up to A21 up to A2n. And this is AM1 up to AMN. And then we must multiply it by x1, x2 up to xn. This is the metric notation of linear transformation. So we have here, we have this one. And this matrix uh, we symbolize by A, yeah, by A. These vectors is symbolized by
Wait.
X vectors,
Oh,
and this is symbolized by W vectors.
one.
So we have here, we have here W W vectors is equal to A W X vectors.
Okay.
Okay, sometimes we use also the this symbol. So in this case, A is equal to matrix T, yeah, matrix T. And this matrix is called as standard matrix. Eh, Jadi A itu adalah matriks standar dari sebuah transformasi linear.
Okay.
Okay, so in this exercise, we want to determine the standard matrix of this linear transformation. We can use as follow W1, W2, W3, and then W3, we have the matrix will be this we have five x, yeah, five x, x1 to x5, x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5. So the matrix will be what we have here, 2
Three
minus
minus
3,
three. One
1
minus
minus
one.
5, and
Four plus.
0, yeah, because we
Yeah.
have a 5, yeah.
Yeah.
And this will be 4, uh,
Plus one minus
minus
two.
2,
One
uh,
and zero.
0,
Eh?
and 1. 0, yeah, because
Oh,
this is
oh yeah,
x5.
yeah, yeah. Oh,
Okay.
this it X5. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, this is 5,
Minus
minus
one,
1,
zero,
0,
four,
4, and
zero.
0. So, uh, matrix standard, matrix standard, standard of P is A,
Hmm?
and A is 2 minus 3, 1 minus 5, 0, 4, 1, minus 2, 0, 1,
One,
and
five,
5,
minus
minus
one,
1,
zero,
0, or
four,
4, 0.
zero.
So we have metric standard of T like this. Yeah. So this is our answer for exercise 6.1. Okay. Now we will talk about special special uh, special types of linear transformation. So we membahas bentuk khusus, ya, bentuk
Yeah.
khusus. Jadi this is spesial, ya, because uh, ini bagian atau yang lebih khusus dari linear transformation.
Okay.
Uh, uh, Before we uh, we talk about special types, we define about all linear operators. So linear transformation, as we know from the previous linear transformation, is a function from R, Rn to Rm.
Okay.
If n is equal to m, so if we have n is equal to m, so t from Rn to Rn is called as linear operator.
Okay.
Linear operator. So they have a special name, yeah?
Yeah.
Linear operator. So linear transformation which have n is equal to m is called as linear operator. And now we will talk about special operators. It's called as expansion and contraction. And we will talk about projection. We will talk about reflection. And this is a rotation. Jadi ini ekspansi dan kontraksi itu artinya dipendekkan atau dipanjangkan vektornya. Kalau proyeksi itu vektornya diproyeksikan, refleksi berarti vektornya dicerminkan. Kalau rotasi vektornya berarti di, di dirotasi ya,
Yeah.
diputar gitu ya.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will talk about four special types of linear transformation, and especially we call it as special types of operators. Okay, we can illustrate the expansion and contraction in two dimension. It means that we have vectors, and then these vectors can be contract, can be expand, yeah, can be expand. This is U, and this is expansion of U, or we can contract. Berarti panjangnya jadi lebih pendek. Kalau ekspansi itu panjangnya menjadi lebih dari sebelumnya. Kalau kontrak itu panjangnya menjadi kurang dari sebelumnya. This is our original vectors x, and then this is the 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 contraction of x. So the length of W is smaller than the length of X. Yeah, X is more lebih panjang ya,
Yeah.
longer than W, and it means that the W is the multiplication of X and Y. And from this equation, we can make the matrix notation. This is W1, W2, and we have the matrix will be K 0, 0, K, and then we multiply by X and Y here. Yeah.
Mm.
So our metric standard is like this.
Okay.
And also for the expansion is the same with the contraction. Yeah, so the equation is the same, but the difference only k in the contraction is the value of k from 0 to 1, but in the expansion, the value of k will be greater than 0, greater than 1. So this is our original vectors x, and this is the contraction, the expansion become W. So W, the length of W larger than the length of x. So the metric standards will be the same. The metric standard will be the same, but the value of k uh, depend on whether they are expansion or contraction. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah.
Contraction k is 0 to 1, but for the expansion k will be greater than 1.
Okay.
Okay, I hope you can understand well about expansion and contraction
Hmm.
because it's not too difficult. Yeah, the metric standard is easy. Just the metric standard of expansion and contraction. What about in three dimension? Uh, in three dimension, uh, we have three components, of course. We have x, we have y, and we have z.
Hmm.
So um, this is our original vectors, x, and this is the contraction, w. The length of w shorter than the length of x. And this is the equation we have for the contraction. And this we do in the previous, we make the vectors like this, w1, w2,
Double.
w3, and then the matrix will be key
Okay.
0, 0,
Zero,
this is 0,
two, three,
key 0,
zero,
0, 0 key.
three.
So we can multiply it by x, y, z.
Okay.
And then we have the matrix standard will be like this. Yeah. The metric standard. So you can look at that the metric standard is the same with the metric standard in two dimension, but the difference only we have no matrix 3 times 3. Yeah, this is 3 times 3 for the two dimension only 2 times 2. Yeah. And yeah, as we have in the two dimension for the contraction also have the same metric standard, but the value of k is different. Yeah, for the contraction expansion, k will be greater than or equal to 1. For the contraction, k will be from 0 to 1.
One.
Okay, so this is the first, the first special types of linear transformation, uh, expansion and contraction. And the metric standard is easy like this. This is the metric standard for two dimension, and this is the metric standard for three dimension. Yeah, so I hope you can understand well because the metric standard is easy, yeah, like this.
Okay.
Okay, now we will go to the second of special types of linear transformation. We call it as a projection. This is projection. What is projection? Projection is effectors is project, diproyeksikan, dilihat secara tegak lurus,
Ya.
ya. So we can imagine that this is our original vectors, and we uh, uh, look at perpendicularly secara tegak lurus dari arah atas, sehingga vektor ini nanti akan menghasilkan bayangan vektor ini. So
Okay.
this is the projection, ya, apa how we project one object to x axis. Nah, karena kita memproyeksikan itu nilai y, nilai the value of y will be zero. Ya, the value of I will be zero. and X will be the same. And the metric standard will be like this, will be like this. Yeah, because we have that W1 will be equal to X and W2 will be equal to 0. So we have uh, from the previous W1, W2, and the metric will be 1, 0, 0, 0, and this is a vector in Y. So we have that the metric standard will be like this. So depend on uh, uh, what axis we will project. Jadi tergantung berarti pada sumbu apa kita proyeksikan. Kalau sumbu X yang ke sumbu X yang kita proyeksikan, Y-nya jadi 0. Ini dia ya. Kalau sumbu X yang kita proyeksi ke sumbu X, Y-nya jadi 0. Berarti sebaliknya, if we project the vectors, ya, this is the original vectors, if we project the vector to the y-axis, we have the result like this. Jadi sekarang justru yang W1 yang 0. So we have W1 will be 0, W2 uh, still Y, still Y. And so we have that this is Y1, Y2, and the matrix will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, X, and Y. Yeah. So this is the metric standard of uh, projection to y-axis. And this is the metric standard for the projection of x-axis. Ya, you must know the pattern ya, harus tahu polanya ya. Kalau proyeksi terhadap sumbu x justru y-nya 0, baris y-nya 0. Kalau proyeksi terhadap sumbu y justru baris x-nya yang 0. So this is you must know the pattern of metric standard. Nah, sekarang itu kan tadi 2 dimensi. This is two dimension. Now we will go to 3 dimension. 3 dimension. In the x-axis, in the 2 dimension, we project to x-axis and y-axis. Jadi proyeksinya ke sumbu x dan sumbu y. But in 3 dimension, we project to the plane, ke bidang-bidang. Plane XY, plane XZ, and plane YZ. Ya. Jadi seakan-akan ini ada bidang di sini, bidang XOY, dan vektor kita, vektor X itu diproyeksikan tegak lurus ke bawah. Jadi kita lihat seperti kita melihat dari atas ke bawah. So our vector will be in the XY plane. This is the result. The result. This is the original X, and this is the result in the XY plane. And in the XY plane, we will have that Z will be 0. Jadi Z bakal menjadi 0. So Y1 will be equal to X, Y2 will be equal to Y, and Y3 will be 0. Yeah, because X, Y, 0. So we have that in the matrix notation, Y1, Y2, and Y3 will be equal to the 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 0. And this is the vectors, X, Y, and Z. It's why this is we call as a matrix standard
Okay.
of this transformation. Hmm. Jadi lihat polanya ya. If
Yeah.
we project orthogonally to the XY plane, itu baris Z-nya 0. Ya. The uh, uh, the row Z will be 0.
Okay.
Nanti kalau proyeksi ke bidang X, O, Z, yang nolnya apa?
Y.
Yeah. So we know that the uh, Y will be 0, yeah.
Yeah.
Y will be 0. So we have the equation will be W1 will be X, W2 will be 0, and W3 will be Z. And then in the metric notation, W1, W2, W3 will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
0, 0, 1.
Then this is X, Y, Z.
Right. G.
Then, yeah, this is our metric standard. Yeah,
Okay.
okay, something like that. In XY plane here, sorry, YZ plane here. So we have that the row X will be 0. This is the metric standard of projection to YZ plane. Okay, no, we already talked about projection, yeah. Uh, Expansion have two dimension and also three dimension. In the projection also we have two dimension, three dimension. Yeah. This is what we have here. Uh, Expansion is key 0, 0 key, and three dimension we have key 0, 0, 0
0,
key
okay,
0,
0,
0,
0,
0
0,
key.
okay.
In the projection, we have two
Two,
projection to x-axis 0, 1, 0,
one,
0.
right.
This is projection to y-axis
It's
0, 0,
positive,
0, 1.
one,
And this three dimension, we have
0,
projection
1,
to xy plane,
right.
z will be 0,
2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1.
and
Okay.
projection to xz axis, y will be
Uh,
0,
0,
0,
0,
0,
0,
0,
0,
0,
0,
0,
0,
1.
1.
And this is projection to xz
Okay.
axis, sorry,
It's
yz
1,
axis.
6,
We have
1, 0, 0,
0, 0, 0, 1,
0,
0,
0,
2,
0,
0,
0,
0, 1.
1.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
It's
yeah,
1.
for the
Yeah.
two operators. Okay, now we will talk about reflection. Reflection, this is a reflection. Also
Okay.
reflection in two dimension and three dimension. This is reflection in two dimension. Reflection about x-axis. Jadi refleksi sekitar sebuah X atau refleksi ke arah sebuah X. This is our original vectors X,
Yeah.
and this is X-axis, and the reflection will be this one. Yeah, this is the reflection original here, and this is the reflection. Uh, Reflection about X-axis. We look at that the coordinate xy will be x minus y, yeah, x minus y. So positive y become negative y. So we have that y1 will be x, still x, and y2 will be minus y. W2 will be minus y. So we have that this is the vector W1, W2, and the matrix will be 1, 0, 0, minus 1. So we have that this will be x, y.
Yep.
So the matrix standard, the reflection contains minus, ya, minus. Jadi ada minusnya ya.
Yeah.
Reflection to x-axis, the minus will be in the y, in -1 in the second row.
Okay.
Reflection about y-axis, y-axis, this is the original, and this is the Persian reflection. Become this is quadrant 1, become quadrant 2, and then the result will be negative of x. So we have y1 will be w1 will be minus x, and w2 will be y. And then we have that y w1 w2, this is will be -1 0 0 1. So the reflection about y-axis. The third, we have a reflection about line line x, y is equal to x, and look at the illustration. This is the original vectors. When we reflect these vectors to the y is equal to x line, we will have that the position is changes. Jadi swap bertukar posisi gitu ya.
Yeah.
X will be y, y will be x. So w1 will be y, w2 will be x, and then we can make the so we can make the prediction. This is will be we have a 0 1 1 0. This is x y. So we have the third formula of the reflection operator into dimension. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 of the reflection into dimension, and now we go to the third dimension of reflection. This is the illustration. We have a reflection about xy plane,
Yeah.
reflection about MC plane, and reflection about z plane. So this is the illustration. The vector x, the original. If we reflect to the uh, xy plane, we will have the result will be like this. Z become a negative. So W1 will be still X, W2 will be Y, W3 will be minus a Z. So it's why we have that in the third row will contain negative. So the same logical, the same logic we have for the reflection about x z plane, yeah, x z plane. XYZ become minus YZ. So we have the negative in the second row. If we reflect to the X or Y plane from the in front to the back, yeah, in back, we have the first row will be contain negative.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the reflection of vectors in three dimension. So in this reflection, yeah, we have also uh, two dimension and
Three
three
dimension.
two dimension contain two matrix, yeah, two matrix, and in the three dimension we have
Three
three
uh,
matrix, yeah.
tricks. Yeah.
Uh, This is 0, 0, 0,
Mm,
1, 0, the 0 minus
mm,
1. This is minus 1, 0, 0,
0,
0,
1.
minus 0, 1. Oh, sorry, we have another uh, matrix that we have three in two dimension, 0, 1, 1,
1,
0.
0.
And here we have
Uh, 0,
1, 0, 0, 0, 1,
1,
0,
0.
0,
Yeah.
0, minus 1, so and so on, yeah.
Yeah.
This, so you must know the pattern. Polanya harus tahu ya.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so nah, uh, we we are now in the more difficult difficult operator. The last
Ah,
operator is uh, uh, more difficult. Yeah,
okay.
we say it rotation. What is rotation? Rotation means that if we have one vectors, vector x here, we make uh, uh, the initial vectors will be fixed. Jadi titik pangkalnya kita buat fix, ya kita kita patok tetap. Kemudian yang bergerak itu adalah titik ujungnya. Jadi kayak kita membuka kipas ya, buka kipas. This is the vectors. This is fixed ya. Jadi titik 0,0-nya tetap, yang diputar itu titik ujungnya. We rotate the terminal point. So this terminal point will be rotated according to the angle. According to the angle. Jadi diputar terhadap sudut tertentu. This angle is called it as theta. So we can rotate the xy become y w1 and w2. So we rotate the vectors, and this is uh, the result.
Okay.
Yeah, actually have we must know about trigonometry formula. In this case, I just give you the formula directly. So W1 will be x cos theta and plus y sin theta.
Okay.
So y we have here uh, we can derive the formulation, but uh, to make it short for you, I give you the direct the formulation. Yeah, I don't scratch it for you.
Okay.
And W2 will be minus x sine theta plus y cosine theta. So we have that here we have that W1, W2 will be the metric standard will be cos theta. Uh, sorry, Mm, sorry. Mm, okay, I made a mistake. Sorry. Uh, so yeah, this symbol. Yeah. Okay, this is will be minus sine theta.
Ya,
This is will be sine theta. And this is will be cosine theta. And this is will be xy. Yeah. So the metric standard of this rotation in two dimension is matrix. This matrix depend on the theta.
oke.
So if theta given is given, so we will know the metric standard. And
Oke.
uh, the convention of theta, jadi perjanjiannya untuk theta, untuk theta, uh, theta will be positive if we count it counter counter clockwise. Jadi nilai theta ini positif kalau dia dihitung berlawanan arah jarum jam. Jadi kalau dihitungnya seperti ini. Ini berlawanan arah jarum jam ya. Ini berlawanan arah jarum jam, maka nilai titanya positif. Tapi kalau dihitung clockwise, jadi searah dengan jarum jam, searah jarum jam, justru theta itu nilainya negatif. Jadi so if we have condition like this,
Ya,
we rotate the vectors, um, rotate 90 degree counterclockwise here. Yeah.
ya.
This is X, this is W. So theta will be 90 degree or pi over 2. But if we have like this is X and this is W, W, W here. So the rotation will be clockwise like this. In this case, we have that theta must be minus pi over 2. Jadi nilai sudut itu positif kalau sudutnya diukur atau dengan W-nya itu X-nya menghasilkan W dengan cara berarah jarum jam. But if we have clockwise, menghasilkan W-nya dengan cara searah jarum jam, maka sudutnya itu diberi tanda minus, dikasih nilai minus. So this is the convention, this is the agreement, ya, perjanjiannya seperti itu. Jadi sudut itu dinilai will be positive if we rotate the vectors counterclockwise. The angle will be negative if the vectors rotate clockwise. Jadi diputar, uh, memutar X-nya searah, itu berarti nanti sudutnya akan negatif yang dimasukkan. Yeah, so no, we have that this is the matrix standard or standard matrix in two dimension. Yeah. two dimension. Um, you must memorize it ya, harus mengingat ini, harus dihafal ya. Cos theta minus sin theta, this is cosine theta. Nah, ini most difficult ya, how to understand about standard matrix, standard matrix of rotation in three dimension. Ya, seharusnya memperlihatkannya ilustrasinya secara offline ya, karena uh, the illustration will be easier if we do it in uh,
Uh,
on
or
offline. So we can imagine like this ya. Yeah, this is the vectors ya, the vectors, and we rotate ya, we rotate the vectors, and this is the result. This is x. This is, oh sorry, this is x. This is w vectors. Titik pangkal selalu dibuat tetap. And the vectors will be rotate. Jadi diputar eh, seperti memutar lingkaran, ujungnya memutar lingkaran sepanjang sumbu Z. Jadi Z-nya menjadi acuan, dia diputar seperti memutar lingkaran. Nah, itu cara uh, merotasi vektor. This is how to rotate the vectors. This is the rotation uh, with the uh, z-axis. Yeah, this is the rotation z-axis. So we can rotate uh, by using y-axis. Yeah, for example, this is x here, x, and this is y. So we rotate the vectors become w. And if for x-axis, it means that we have this is x, and then we rotate into x-axis, and this is w vectors. So this is how to rotate vectors in three dimension. And the agreement must be cure, harus terjadi untuk sudut ya. If we rotate clockwise, so the angle will be positive. If we rotate, if we rotate counterclockwise, the angle will be positive. If we rotate the vectors clockwise, we will have the angle will be negative. Yeah, so we have this um, this matrix of the rotation. This is rotation uh, about x-axis, x-axis. Yeah, this is rotation about y-axis. This is rotation about z-axis. And you must know the pattern. Sekali lagi harus tahu ingat polanya. If x-axis, the one will be 1, 0, 0 ya. The rest ya ini untuk y dan z-nya itu memakai rumus dua dimensi.
okay.
S in this in
Uh,
y and z
yeah.
using the formulation in two dimension. The same with this one, yeah, two
Yeah.
dimension. If we rotate uh, uh, y-axis, so the second row will be 0, 0, 1, 0, and no, yeah, no, the X and Z, yeah, X and Z here, X and Z here. This is the same with the again with the matrix in two dimension. Jadi sisanya untuk X dan Z-nya itu rumusnya sama seperti rumus matriks rotasi dua dimensi. Tapi, tapi khusus untuk Y aksis ini justru minusnya ada di baris keduanya. Minus ya. Kalau ini kan minusnya ada di baris pertama ya.
Ya.
Kalau ini minusnya justru kebalikan. Minusnya ada di baris kedua. Kalau rotasinya terhadap sumbu Y. Oke. What about rotation uh, by Z-axis? Yeah, of course, the third row will be 0, 0, 1, and the uh, X and Z, yeah, again, using the formulation in two dimension.
Oke.
Okay, this is the pattern, yeah. Uh, to know about the matrix standard matrix of rotation operators in three dimension. So you have three matrix here, and the pattern is this is 1 0 0 here, this is 0 1 0, and this is 0 0 1 in the third row. This is the second, and for the rest of the rows contain the standard matrix in two dimension. Okay, let's master it, how to determine the standard matrix of the linear operators, and also some operators in this exercise. Okay, now what we have here, expansion.
Dan,
What is the matrix standards? Standard matrix, key, zero,
zero,
zero, key, isn't
key.
it?
Ya,
Yeah, in two dimension.
ya.
So the metric standard, okay, you can use this
Orang.
matrix notation. This
Ya,
is should be 3 0
zero,
0
three.
3. Yeah, because key is 3, yeah.
Ya.
And no, vector rotation in three dimension
Hmm,
clockwise. The angle is 60 degree
three.
respect to x-axis. So you must know the the formulation.
Yep.
The formulation is 1 0 0, yeah, because reflect to x-axis, and this is 0. This is will be cos theta minus
Sin
uh,
theta.
sin theta. This is 0. This is sin
Sin,
theta,
ya, and
and
cos
this is
theta.
cos theta. So this is the uh, matrix, standard matrix of these operators.
Oke.
Three dimension. Now we will talk about clockwise. Yeah, clockwise and the angle. The angle. Yeah. Angle is theta. Will be
Uh,
60 degree in this.
a half.
Uh, no, pi over 3.
Oh ya.
Pi over 3. Jadi 180 bagi 3 itu kan 60 ya.
Ya.
And because instead that clockwise, so our theta will be negative,
Oke.
minus pi over 3.
Three.
And replace theta in this in
Uh,
this
Patrick.
matrix. What is the value of cosine um, uh, theta?
Cos.
Cosine, okay,
Cos 60. Half.
okay. a minute. Cos minus pi
Oh,
over 3 uh, will be the same with the positive
Steve.
pi over 3. But sine minus pi over 3 will be minus sine pi over 3.
Hmm.
So, what about what is the value of pi over 3? Cosine pi over 3.
1/2.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
This is theta. 0 will be 1
One.
pi 6, 30 derajat. 30 derajat itu half square root of 3, square root of 3 ya.
Hmm.
Jadi 45 derajat, 45 derajat. This is pi over 4 will be 1 square root of 2, 60 derajat. This is pi over 3
Okay.
will be a half,
Half.
and then 90 degree, uh, 90 degree is pi
Zero.
over 2 will be 0. This is for cosinus ya.
Ya.
For sinus will be opposite. Uh, Zero will be
Yaitu
0.
a
This is
half.
will be half. This is will be
A
half
half
of
square
a
root
square root of 2.
two.
This is
Half
also a
square root
half square root of 3. This is will be
one.
1. Yeah. So the answer of B, the answer of B will be the matrix of
Uh,
this is 1, yeah, still 1 0 0, yeah. This is cosine theta minus pi over 3 is it will be same with the cos pi over 3, and cos pi over 3 is a half.
okay.
So this is will be a half. Yeah.
Oh.
No, sine theta. Sine theta here uh, minus sine minus pi over 3, and this is will be minus sine pi over 3, and this is okay. I will write it. This is a half, and this is will be minus sine pi over 3. Pi over 3 is a half square root of 3. Okay, so we have here minus, yeah, minus. Our value of sine minus pi over 3 is minus a half square root of 3. So minus minus will be plus. This is will be a half square root of 3.
Hmm.
Yeah, because sine is minus, yeah.
Yeah.
And we have here minus. So minus minus will with this will be plus.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So now will be 0 here. Yeah, this is 0.
Yeah.
And now this is sine again will be minus a
Uh,
half,
square
a
root.
half square
Eh,
root of
3.
this is cosine theta as we have here will
Half.
be a half. So this is our matrix, yeah.
Okay.
Standard matrix of vector rotation in 3 dimension clockwise to the angle 60 degree respect to the x-axis. Okay.
Hmm.
Number 2, uh, what is the mirror of these vectors? if we reflect it to the line y is equal to x.
Hmm.
What is mirror? Apa
One.
cermin atau apa hasil dari pencerminan vektor ini terhadap garis y sama dengan x. So we have x as the original. This is -1 and 2.
Yeah.
And now what the vectors after we we
Uh,
reflect it to the y and y is equal to x. Apa tadi? Prinsipnya apa tadi? What
uh,
is the main principle?
uh,
Jadi
one.
y dia jadi x ya. Oke. So look at the principle here ya.
Yeah. Um,
X will be y here.
yeah.
Y will be x here.
Yeah.
So this is one ya.
Zero.
Okay, so x will be y will be x. So we have that the result will be
Zero.
2
Two.
comma -1.
This one.
Yeah. Or by using equation, we have that here y1 or
Two.
y2 is from the 0, 1
One.
or 1,
One.
0,
Zero.
and the x
One.
will be
X.
1,
One.
2.
Two.
Now we can multiply it. 0 to -1 will be 0, plus 1 to 2 will be 2,
Two.
and this is 1 to multiply to -1 become 1,
Three.
become -1
Yeah.
plus 0. So this is our result. Okay, now orthogonal number
H.
3, orthogonal projection of vector
One.
this one to the xy plane. What is the principle of the orthogonal projection?
Um.
Look at this illustration again. If we have this one and we project to xy axis, and then we have the result in the xy plane.
Yeah.
Xy. So we have that this is xyz will be here become x, y, and 0. Jadi proyeksi ortogonal ke bidang itu membuat nilai z-nya jadi 0.
Nol.
So we have that the result will be W1, W2,
Double.
W3,
Two.
and we must multiply by vector projection pada bidang x z itu adalah 100, 010, dan
Nol.
ini
Nol.
000.
Nol. Nol.
This is the vectors uh,
Minus
will be -2,
one.
1, and
Three.
3, and then we have
Minus.
that uh, will
Minus.
be -2.
Mm,
The second will be 1, yeah.
yeah.
0 times -2 will be 0, plus 1 times 1 will be 1, plus 0 times 3 will be 0.
Zero.
Sedangkan di baris ketiga, karena dikalikan dengan 0, ini akan jadi
Zero.
0. Yeah, so this is the result, yeah. The projection will be -1, 1, and 0. If you do multiple choice in the ULS, you don't need to write this matrix, just only know the principle. Jadi kalau jawaban multiple choice kan nggak perlu menjelaskan perhitungannya ya,
Ya.
langsung tahu prinsip bahwa kalau dia proyeksi pada bidang XY berarti Z-nya 0. Jadi nilai Z-nya itu bakal jadi 0. Kalau proyeksi pada bidang X, OZ berarti Y-nya nanti bakal jadi 0. Kalau proyeksi pada bidang Y, O, Z, nanti X-nya yang bakal nol.
Oke.
Oke, so, ya, uh, all of the matrix, standard matrix, must be known. Yeah, at least you must remember it, and or if you don't need to remember, you must know the principle of the each of the
Operator.
matrix, standar matrix. Jadi harus tahu prinsipnya. Kalau nggak pengen hafal uh, masing-masing matrix standarnya.
Oke.
Okay, now after we know the standard matrix of the linear operators, at least we have four linear operators: contraction and expansion, then reflection and projection, and the last rotation. Okay, this is now we will go to composition. Jadi kita melakukan lebih dari satu operasi. We do some consecutively operators. So we do more than one operators in same time. Okay, this is the operators number one, T1, and this is the operators number two, 32. Uh, and kemudian harus tahu urutannya ya, urutan. If we write like this, berarti yang bekerja dulu itu T1. Jadi kalau urutannya T2, if we do the order T2 T2 dot T1, it means that uh, T1 is the first, and then we do the T2 after that.
Oke.
Jadi jangan salah ya urutannya. Urutannya eh, operasinya seperti ini. Itu artinya A-nya bekerja dulu, T1-nya bekerja dulu, kemudian baru B atau T2-nya mengikuti. Kemudian urutannya jadi seperti ini. B, A, X. This is our vectors, original vectors. And then you must multiply A by X first. After that, you can multiply by B. Ya, jangan sampai kebalik ya. Don't make a mistake because in the matrix we have that A times B is not always equal to B times A. Jadi tidak berlaku sifat komutatif di matriks ya. Matriks itu ini belum tentu sama.
Oke.
So this is the operation must be A first and then followed by B. This is A in here. This is B in here. Okay. Now we must we we can do some composition. Of course, we must know first about the standard matrix, standard matrix of the operators in the problem. After that, we must know what is the order, what is the order of what is the order of the operators. Jadi urutannya harus tahu apa dulu yang dilakukan dulu dan diikuti oleh yang lainnya. So we must know the order ya. Okay, we need it to read carefully. Okay, this is a standard matrix for linear operators.
Oke.
The first one, the first one
Uh,
is rotates. rotates a vector clockwise about z-axis with the angle 66 with the angles 90 degrees. Okay, so number one, we must identify we
Yeah.
must identify rotation. The first operator is rotation, rotation uh, about z-axis, the angle counterclockwise, counter
Well,
clockwise. Then the theta is
in,
pi over 2
yeah.
or 90 degree. Now, after we know the operation, we must know the standard matrix. Standard matrix is about z-axis, it will be 0, 0, 1. And the matrix here must be matrix
Cos
from two dimension.
uh,
From two dimension, this is will be 0, 1. This
1
is will be cos
theta
theta. This is
minus sin theta
sin theta will be 0. This is will
sin
be
sin
sin
theta
theta, and this
cos
is
theta.
cosine theta. Okay, this is standard matrix. And counterclockwise means that the angle will be positive. So, what is the cosine pi over 2? Pi over 2, 0, is it?
0
Yeah, so this is will be 0. This is will be minus 1,
minus 1
0, 1, 0, 0, and this is
0
0 and 1.
0.
Okay, well, this is uh, our first matrix. Then reflex again YZ plan. YZ plan means that the x will be 0. So the matrix B will be reflection,
Yeah.
reflection about uh, YZ
I
plan,
see.
YZ plan, and the matrix, a standard matrix is easy 0, 0,
0
0, 0, 1,
0
0,
1
and
0.
0, 0, 1. Yeah. The first row will be 0. And then what else? Uh, projecting vector orthogonally about xy.
Y.
Y. So projecting
What
projecting uh, onto plane
X Y.
xy xy x oh sorry xy. So z will be 0, yeah.
No. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Reflection about xy plane means that x will be negative, yeah, not 0, yeah. Sorry.
Oh,
Reflection, not projection, yeah. This is will be minus
minus
1,
1.
minus 1, yeah. No, we have that z will be 0, yeah.
Yeah.
1,
1
uh,
0 0 0
this is
0
0.
0.
Okay. So we have A, B, and C like
C.
this.
Yep.
And result result is Tx will be C, B, A, and X. Yeah. Because we must do permutation first, after that reflection, after that projecting.
Okay.
Okay, so the result will be the operation of three matrix: 1, 0, 0, 0, 1,
Mm.
0, 0, 0, 0, yeah, because C is here.
Okay.
And this is B in the second, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1,
1,
0,
0,
0,
0,
0, 1.
0, 1,
And then here we have
0, 0,
0 minus 1,
plus
0,
1, 0, 1,
1, 0, 0,
0, 0,
0, 0, 1.
0, 1.
And then we multiply it by, uh,
Hmm,
sorry, it's not to find the result, but only find the metric standard.
Oke,
So we don't need to multiply by x. Yeah.
oke,
We just find the metric standard of the operators. So it means that we must find the like this.
oke. Only
Okay.
that. Oh,
Can you multiply it? What?
uh,
Yeah,
I
you
think
can do
yeah,
multiply it one by one. Yeah.
yeah.
For example, you multiply the trip in the second. So you will have this is 100 010 000, then multiply it. This is multiply to here. Yeah.
Hmm,
First row to the first column we have 0.
uh,
First row to the
oh,
second we have 1.
1,
First row to the third will be 0,
0,
find 0. Second row to the first column will be 1.
1,
Second row to the second column will be
0.
0. Second row to the third column will be 0 also.
Oke,
The third row to the first column will be 0.
0,
Third row to the second column will be 0.
0.
Third row to the uh,
Third
third column will be
one
1.
will be 0. Oh ya, 1.
Because this one, yeah, 1
Ya,
times 1 is this one. Okay, after that, we multiply it. Uh, First column, first row to the second column, the first column will be 0. First row to the second row will be
1,
1. First row to the third
minus
column will be 0.
1,
This will be 1.
1,
This is will be
0,
0. This is will be
0.
0. Because it is 0, what
Iya,
happened here? Always 0, yeah.
0. Oke,
Okay, this is will be.
0, 0.
So this is the answer of number 1.
1,
We have the metric standard will contain multiplication of three matrices.
oke.
Okay, you can do the same things in the number 2. Please do it by yourself.
Oke,
If you don't understand how to find the solution of number 2, you can contact me, and don't be hesitate to answer to ask me how to solve this problem. But please do it by yourself first.
oke.
Okay, then we go to the last slide, maybe second last slide. We know we want to talk about inverse linear transformation. I think the inverse is same with the function. Function is one. X will be y is equal to fx in the function, and we have the inverse. X will be f inverse of y, like this, yeah. So in the linear transformation also we have like this. T uh, operate with the a to x like this one, and this is a vector w, and then the inverse will be X is A inverse, A inverse of W. Yeah, something like that, yeah. This is what we have with the inverse in linear transformation.
Okay.
So T inverse matrix of T inverse is A inverse. Jadi matriks inverse transformasi linear itu adalah inverse dari matriks asalnya, matriks transformasi asal. Okay, for example, like this, we have the A is 1 minus 2,
Two minus
2,
two,
2,
one,
1, 1,
one,
1,
one,
1,
one,
0.
zero.
And now, what is the inverse matrix of the inverse? This is inverse of A.
Okay.
So you must know, you must find the inverse, and then this is the result. Yeah. And I hope you still understand how to get the inverse of the matrix. You can use uh, minor and cofactor.
Yeah.
So yeah, inverse of A is adjoint A divided by determinant of A.
Yeah.
Yeah. Adjoint, what is adjoint? Adjoint is C transpose. What is C transpose? Is the cofactor matrix, yeah, cofactor matrix of A.
Yeah.
So you must find C11, C12, C13, C21, C22,
C,
C23,
C,
C31,
C, two,
C32, and
three,
C33,
three.
and transpose it.
Okay.
Then divide it by
That,
determinant of
yeah.
A. So this is the formulation of how to get the um, inverse of A. Yeah. Okay, I let it for you to solve this problem by using this formulation to get the matrix, a standard matrix of inverse linear transformation. Okay, now we want to determine vectors whose mirror under linear transformation in this equation is 1, 0, minus 2, and 0.
Mhm.
So, actually, jadi soal nomor 2 ini sebenarnya kita mencari inverse ya, karena posisi pertanyaannya seperti ini. Diketahui hasil petanya 1, min 2, 0, dari transformasi yang di atas ini, yaitu 1, min 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Tapi yang ditanyakan tuh X, Y, Z-nya berapa begitu. Nah, kalau kalau yang biasanya kan X, Y, Z diketahui, didapatkan W.
Yeah.
Nah, in this context, in this problem, we have that this is the result, but we know a vector whose mirror, vektor yang merupakan cermin dan menghasilkan 1, min 2, 0. So we want to find x, y, z. Nah, rumus x, y, z. So x, y, z will be inverse, ya, will be inverse dari matriks ini. Ini inverse 1 minus 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, inverse. Cari dulu inverse-nya seperti rumus yang tadi saya
Uh,
sebutkan di nomor 1. So, after that, you multiply it by 1, minus 2, and 0.
Oke.
Nah, ini nanti yang akan menghasilkan uh, the solution of X, Y, and Z. So, the number 2 is the continuation of the number 1. So, you must know first the inverse. Yeah, maybe in the exercise you must do it by yourself and to make you know how to find the inverse. Ya, mungkin di ujian juga ada nanti mencari inverse. Kalau tahu rumusnya dan bisa menghitung kan lebih baik.
Iya.
Itu then you get the number 2 after you solve number 1.
Oke.
Okay, let we do number 3. Um, we must know standard matrix for inverse linear operators yang secara berturut-turut 1, 2, and 3. Jadi cari dulu linear operatornya, tapi yang ditanya itu inverse-nya. Jadi uh, we must know T first as the C, B, and A. After that, we must know uh, uh, T inverse. T inverse ini, T inverse dari hasil yang sudah didapatkan ini. So, C, B, and A nanti di inverse. Jadi pertanyaannya justru yang ini. Ya. Jadi cari dulu linear operatorsnya dari 3 operasi ini, kemudian dapatkan materi standar T-nya, terus yang ditanya itu inverse-nya, bukan T-nya. Nah, berarti kita so we inverse um, the CB. Okay, let's we do it. A reflection of XY plane. What we have?
One,
Reflection of XY planes.
one,
1,
zero,
0, 0, 0, 1,
zero, one,
0,
zero,
and
zero,
then
zero, minus one.
this one. Okay, good. Reflection of XZ.
One, zero, 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 minus one, zero, 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 one.
Yang C,
Um,
porsi
uh,
contraction means that here
ya,
1 over 5.
zero, minus one.
Just replacing key by 1 over 5. Yeah.
Ya,
Uh,
oke.
yeah, this is the standard. Yeah.
Ya,
Contraction and contraction and expansion have the same matrix.
Rix.
Just replace it by key.
Oke.
So uh, T uh, will be the multiplication of three matrices. Yeah,
Ya,
3 matrices. Uh, so this is will be 1 over 5, 0, 0, 0, 1 over 5, 0, 0, 1 over 5, and then this is will be B, will be 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and this is will be 1, 0, 0, this is 0, 1,
one,
0,
zero,
0, 0,
zero.
minus 1.
Ya,
Okay, please multiply it, and then you have the
hmm,
matrix. After that, you inverse it.
oke.
Then you will have T inverse as the inverse of this one. Yeah.
Oke.
So this is the answer of number 3. Yeah. Uh, please do it by yourself and until finish, yeah,
Yeah.
to make you have
Understood.
experience to solve the problem,
Okay.
and the experience will be useful for you in the examination.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it quick, yeah, because it is already in the at noon. You must take a lunch maybe.
Yeah.
Uh, and thank you very much, Yaya, for your nice attention.
Thank you,
And we
sir.
will continue our lecture in the next week.
Week.
Please be attention that you must do the quiz, yeah,
Yeah.
in the Tuesday. The
Okay.
material from the meeting 8 to meeting 11.
7.
8 about uh, basis and dimension, up to meeting 10. In the meeting 11, about inner product space.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ya. Have a nice rest and the holiday, long holiday, ya, until
Uh,
Sunday.
Yay.
Okay. Thank you. See you. Ya.
See you. Bye bye. Thank
Bye.
you.
Yeah. I will stop there and count it 1, 2, 3.